In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset your chart layout on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are on the main trading screen, look at the top toolbar. You will find the Chart Layout button there, positioned next to the New Order button. This is the control you will use to manage the way your charts are arranged on the platform. Click the Chart Layout button once. After you select it, wait a moment for the Layout menu to open. When the menu appears, take a quick look through the available chart layout options. This section shows the different ways charts can be displayed and organized within your workspace. At the bottom of this layout menu, you will see the Reset option. Click Reset to begin restoring the chart setup back to the default layout. Once you do that, give the platform a moment to apply the change. The charts and panels will automatically rearrange according to the original default workspace settings. After the reset is complete, review the updated chart arrangement on your screen. Check that the windows, panels, and chart positions now match the default format. This helps confirm that the reset has been applied properly. If any charts you were previously using are no longer open, you can reopen them manually as needed. This step is useful if you want to continue working with specific markets after returning the platform to its standard layout. The reset restores the workspace design, but you may still want to bring back certain charts depending on your trading setup. Once your charts are arranged the way the default workspace is intended, you can continue using the platform as normal. Take one final moment to verify that your chart layout has been successfully reset. Make sure the screen looks correct and that the layout has returned to the standard view you expected. This process is helpful whenever your chart area feels disorganized or when you want to return to a clean and familiar workspace. Using the reset feature can save time and make it easier to start again with the default setup. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.